there's an interesting drawing that Richard Rohr has sort of adapted from somebody else. And he has a sort of cosmic egg, which is a lovely, and of course, one of Hildegard's, isn't it? Is an egg. The famous one is the egg. At the bottom, there's a little circle, which is my story, and nobody has my story except me. And then there's a much bigger circle, which is our story. And that can be, you know, the Anglican Church, or riding a Harley Davidson, or supporting Manchester City. All of those things are our story. They're groups of people that we belong to or don't belong to. But beyond all of that is the story, where all those stories fit. And the real problem, whether it's in music or in theology, or indeed, you know, football supporting, the real problem is when you claim our story to be the story. Because in the story, which we should never fully understand, in the story, they all fit together in a way that we can't imagine how it works. And that's why I think that compassion is about tolerating paradox.